Hi, and welcome to the Accountant's Recipe. We are an accounting firm specializing in the restaurant industry. So, if you already have a restaurant or looking to set your first one up, stick around to find out how we can help you. So, why do we specialize in restaurants? It's simple. We love food. Our mission is to translate your ambitions into numbers. We forecast your business financials and identify where you can save money and how many table covers you need to turn over in order to generate a business profit. We can take care of all of your accounting responsibilities, so you do not need to worry about the tax authorities looking over your shoulder on a busy Saturday night. Our payroll system will give your staff access to their own portal. This means that they can access their pay slips, they can request for holiday, and they can also even report sickness. This will save you a great deal amount of time with having to deal with all those messy spreadsheets. Our management report service can give you a deep understanding of how your business is performing. We can measure trends, profits on any new dishes, the overall growth of your business, and much more. Sounds good, right? But wait, there's more. We love using the latest technology in our business, so no more stuffing paper receipts in a bag. Simply open up the app we have installed for you, take a picture of your receipt, and job done. We are a paperless company, but don't worry, if you're not good with apps, we'll walk you through it. Your customers don't like waiting too long for a table, and neither do we like to keep our clients waiting for us. So you will always have access to our calendar where you can pick a date and a time for a meeting which is convenient for you. Book a Zoom call or come say hello to us at our office in the heart of Birmingham. We have a great YouTube channel where we post weekly tips on how your restaurant can save money. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram either. We're always posting food that we love to eat. Find more details at the bottom of the page. We work with many different types of restaurant setups, such as your local takeaway, fine dine restaurants, food trucks, e-commerce, and much more. Check out our website for reviews on what clients have had to say about us and how we have helped them to take more profit home. We are working endlessly behind the scenes with the restaurant community and its stakeholders to find the best available financing and investors for you. Well, that's a lot served on a plate, and I'm starting to feel really hungry. Get in touch today for a free consultation where we can show you how to run a profitable restaurant and how to take more money home. Thank you.